All right, fifth graders, if you could please move our furniture to our class meeting arrangements. We were given an opportunity to pilot some of the new furniture being used in the BSD schools in the future. I welcomed it from day one and I'm really pleased with it. Many hands, light work. This new furniture is much lighter, much sturdier.
When they come into the classroom, there's a wide variety of tasks in which they might be engaged in every day. And so we want our environment to be able to support that.
With these furniture, the tables on one side have wheels. You can just unlock them and then lift them and then move them to wherever you need to.
We've moved our tables out of the way so we can sit for a class meeting.
Come have a seat.
That we do every day, pretty much every day.
Your transition came in under just about 36 seconds.
Movement is a key piece of this environment. When the body's moving, the brain's moving. It's really important not only for their fine and gross motor development, but also for their cognitive development, that we are integrating movement as much during the school day in addition to what they're getting outside.
Come on guys, teamwork.
The new furniture, I think, really fits the different ways that students like to manage their time. Like if they are being asked to sit for long periods of time, they have different arrangements. There's options for stools, chairs, wobbly chairs.
You can sit in them backwards and they're kind of bouncy and that can be fun.
The stools have different settings for their legs, so just having the choice is a big part of keeping kids from feeling the need to like get up and move and kind of distract. If you have more control over where you get to sit and how you get to use your space, you tend to be more engaged.
And the more that students are engaged, the more that they're learning.
It's better because there's different sizes of tables, and for the tray tables underneath the smaller tables, you get more room to store your folders and stuff.
Nice job, everyone.
We're replacing student furniture at 4 elementary schools and 1 middle school this summer. And then each summer, we can continue to roll out new furniture throughout the district.
What we found is that we needed to provide very little instruction and students knew exactly what to do with the furniture. When the environment works for them, they know exactly what to do.